In this session, I am going to discuss class 8 friction. Okay, friction class 8. Before going to know about this, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. ఓకే, let us go for today's topic friction. Now we'll discuss one activity. Gently push a book on a table. You observe that, see this below here figure. Now a person is pushing the book. Gently push a book on a table. You observe that it stops after moving for some distance. If you repeat this activity, pushing the book from the opposite direction, does the book stop this time too? What do you think about this explanation? So, some force is acting on this in opposite direction. So, can we say that a force must be acting on the book opposing its motion? This force is called the force of friction. So, here which opposes the motion, that is known as opposing force. So, this force is called the force of friction. Friction opposes relative motion between the surface of the book and the table. Okay, next. The force of friction always opposes the applied force. Now we are discussing about the spring balance. See this diagram here, this is the spring balance. Spring balance is a device which is used for measuring the force acting on the object. It consists of a coiled spring. Here it is a spring notation, spring which gets stretched when a force applied on it. Here this is a hanger. We have to attach the weight hanger, then it stretches. So it consists of a coiled spring which gets stretched when a force is applied to it. Stretching of the spring is measured by a pointer moving on a graduated scale. This is the graduated scale. Reading on the scale gives the magnitude of force in terms of newtons. Next, let us go to the next discussion. What is meant by friction? Friction, nothing but friction is caused by the irregularities of two surfaces in contact. So friction is caused by the irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. Next, let us go for discussion. Factors affecting on friction. Friction depend on the nature of the surfaces. So friction depends on the nature of surfaces in contact. For a given pair of surfaces, friction depends upon the state of smoothness of those surfaces. Next, friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press together. These are all the factors affecting on friction. Friction is caused by the irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. And what are the factors affecting on friction is friction depends upon the nature of surfaces in contact. For a given pair of surfaces, friction depends upon the state of smoothness of those surfaces. Next one, friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press together. This is about factors affecting on friction. Okay, today what we discussed, which is opposing force and friction. factors affecting on friction and construction and working of spring balance. And friction is caused by irregularities on the two surfaces in contact. Okay, thanks for watching this video.